Hey guys, thanks for watching the Install Pros channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to weed computer cut window tint kits. If you haven't checked out our channel before, make sure you check out the description of this video. We'll have a link to some computer cut kits down there. We'll also have a link to our giveaway. So check it out.
Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to weed this computer cut pattern here. You want the tint side facing you, okay? We've got a peel plate here, but you can do this on a window in your home. This is a door glass here for a Dodge Ram. You could put it on the windshield of the truck. Actually, a lot of people do that. That's a big piece of glass that you can clean and lay your pattern on. You can weed them on the windshield or on a back window of a car, if that's the only piece of glass you have. A window in your home works too. The first thing that I like to do is I just come to the pattern. The computer has made a cut right here in this corner and it's rounded. So once you guys can see that, I take the knife and I start at the corner and I cut away from it. Okay? And then I just take my finger and I go like that. Okay? There's another way you can start it too. That's one way. But even if you just came up here like this and you just took your finger and got it started like that, just kind of pick at the edge until it breaks, and then you can just come over to the pattern and then you can cut it if you want, or you can cut it first like me and then start it. Either way works. When you're weeding it, you want to, this is the pattern here, so it's shaped like this. Okay, this is it. So I'm pulling to the right, away from the pattern. If you pull into the pattern, sometimes you'll be going along, it'll tear into the pattern, ruin your pattern. So pull away from the pattern, pull slow and pay attention, and go slow so you don't mess it up. But you're removing the film from around the pattern, pulling away from the pattern. Okay? Like that. Looks pretty easy. And then you take a knife and you trim along the edge of the pattern. Within 1/8 of an inch is best. If your cut's a little wobbly or a little further, that's fine. The straighter you can cut and closer, the better. I also want to mention, if you do use the window on your car or your house to weed the pattern and you're going to cut the pattern out, okay? You need to use stainless Olfa blade. It'll say stainless on it. If you just use a box blade or a regular razor blade and you have this pattern on your home window or on the back window of your car and you weed it out and then you go to cut it out, you'll etch your glass. You'll cut a pattern in it. And you don't want to do that, obviously. So use a stainless blade. Okay? That's the first way to avoid etching the glass. The next way is you want to hold your blade on the glass about like that. Okay? If you get up on the point of the knife like that, you're going to etch the glass. Okay? You need to have it like this when you're trimming it out. Not like this. Okay? Stainless steel blade like this. Don't put pressure either. That's the other thing. Okay? Here's the deal. You got your tint. Okay? I can just push really, really hard and get up on the point and all that. I'm going to etch the glass that I'm cutting it on. Sharp blade, you don't need pressure. Don't go up on the point. Literally all I'm going to do is just barely like put any pressure on that. I mean, it's going to cut through the film. So it doesn't take much. Okay, I'll make sure I point that out. Now you've got your pattern here. You pull it off. Okay, you're going to flip it around so that the liner side, the clear liner, is facing you. So when you go to tint, you can peel this liner back and spray it wet and go ahead and tint. But that's how to weed and trim out a computer cut tint pattern. Thank you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you found it helpful, please take the time to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As always, check out the description of this video. We'll have a link to our giveaway. We'll also have a link to all the products and tools that we used for this video. Also, we've had a number of individuals who have reached out to us in regards to getting Install Pro shirts, hats, or other swag. We decided to turn it back to you guys. If you've got ideas for shirts or hats, whether it's funny stuff, serious stuff, wording, designs, whatever, please feel free to comment below or send us an email at support@installpros.com. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.